Yo, what is up, guys? So today we're going to be unboxing two Jordan 1s right here. So one of these are the Jordan 1 Stage Haze. I'll put that up on the screen right now. And the other one is the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0, which I'll also put up right now. Alright, so let's just start off with the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboards first. Alright, so it comes in your standard Nike Jordan 1 box. Here I got it in a size 8.5. Alright, so unboxing. We got the shoe right here. These look absolutely beautiful. Alright, so this is the side of the shoe. You see we got some patent leather, which is like the material. And it's a little bit crumpled up, which is the design. It's supposed to be like that. And it actually looks pretty cool. So yeah, I did lace these up just to show you guys how it looks like. Usually it comes unlaced, like without any laces, but I just wanted to lace it up just to make it look like a better shoe review, I guess. And then we also got this like sand color of midsole, which is pretty nice. I'm happy they didn't choose white. This honestly does look better than just a white midsole like they do with some other shoes. So yeah, you got the standard Nike swoosh in orange, pretty crumpled up. I kind of like that. It looks pretty cool. And we also got this Air Jordan logo right here on the back, typical Nike Jordan 1 stuff. And then to the other side, basically the same as this side, except it just doesn't have the Air Jordan logo. So here the toe box pops right back up, just like that. Again, patent leather. And then you get some black laces. I also forgot to mention that they also do come with these orange laces that match the color, just like that. I prefer the black ones, but if you want the shoe to like stand out, the orange one is definitely one you should go with. So yeah, on the tongue you got the Nike Air logo, and then just like the random stuff over here with the Nike Air on the sole. Yeah, so yeah guys, just to show you guys a cool little comparison, I got the Jordan 1 patent spreads, and I also got the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0s. So you can see, sorry, I just turned my light off just so you guys can see a little bit. As you can see. So the Jordan 1 patent breads, they are not like crumbled up kind of like this. They are just like pretty smooth, pretty chill type of shoe. However, this one, I'm pretty sure it's the same exact material. I'm not sure, but it's probably, but I think it's just like patent material, patent leather, but just like crumpled up, I guess. So yeah, cool addition. This one, as you can see, it does come with the white midsole that I was talking about, opposed to the nice sand color, which I prefer. But yeah, so yeah guys, that is basically it for this shoe. Let's just go to the next shoe now, which is the Jordan 1 Stage Haze. Alright, so here is the Jordan 1 Stage Haze. I did get it in a size 8.5 again, so yeah. I'm honestly a size 9, by the way. I got an 8.5. I kind of regret getting it. I'm pretty sure these are pretty true to size. Like, sometimes I could wear size 8.5 in Jordan 4s, but honestly, on Jordan 1s, it's kind of weird. Like, the toe box is weird. But yeah, that's besides the point. So, opening the box up, you get a beautiful shoe right here. Now, I've honestly wanted these shoes for about 3 years now, and I'm happy I finally got them. So, as you can see, really nice white shoe with some black and some gray. Also, this is like kind of like crumpled up like material. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty cool. Same with on the Nike swoosh. All like the black elements are like that. The top kind of reminds me of the Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. Let me know if you guys want to review that, and I'll definitely pick those up for you guys to review. But yeah, it kind of does remind me of that because it's like crumpled up. We also got some suede here, some gray suede, pretty cool. And then we got the Air Jordan logo in black. So on this side, boom, regular Jordan stuff, as you can see. So here we got the toe box, pretty cool, some laced up. And these ones do come with gray. Again, if you want to stand out, you could definitely use these. They do match this kind of, not really, but it kind of works. I prefer black because it's just like a chill color. But yeah, so on the tongue, it's kind of like a coral color, which is pretty cool. It's like hollow, kind of, you could say. Hollow Nike Air logo. Pretty cool. Text on the back is also in coral colored. And then the insole is also coral, which is honestly a cool addition because like the entire shoe is basically black, gray, and white, and then you got a little bit of like pink to it, which is pretty cool. And then on the bottom, you got the typical Jordan 1 stuff, Nike logo in gray. And yeah, so yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video of my review on the Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 3.0s and the Jordan 1 Stage Haze. If you guys did enjoy the video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.